Hello. I would like to begin this presentation by you spotting the one and only difference between these images. It's very simple. As you can see, just two of these girls are actually in school. So, I'm going to talk about Plan International. Plan International is an organization that has been active for around 80 years in over 70 countries. Plan International looks for children's right to be respected as well as their right for education and gender equality. So, because I am a girl is part of this organization of Plan International, I'm going to focus on it because I'm a girl plan. So, on the webpage, we get facts, actual facts about how girls don't have the same opportunities around the world. We have that more than 130 million girls don't have the opportunity to graduate from primary or secondary school, according to UNESCO's statistics, and also that approximately 2 million girls under the age of 15 become pregnant every year. So, just after seeing all these facts, makes me think that how are we going to motivate women to be empowered and to get important jobs to actually change society or make a change in the world if we have more than 130 girls that graduate from primary or secondary school. So, after this, I analyzed the intended audience because you get the chance to sponsor or donate whatever suits you best, a girl, to change their actual world. So, not all girls have the same opportunities, and this audience is tended to be stable, economically stable, so they can have the chance to sponsor or donate. And we have different kinds of sponsorships, which actually give us more chances to have a bigger audience. So we don't only have the same kind of sponsoring, right? We have different kinds of sponsoring, so we can get more people with different income to make a small change, because that's what the webpage motivates us to. So the main purpose of this website is to persuade the audience by sensitizing it with true facts, and not only facts that girls don't have the same opportunities, also about how governments have a lack of interest of making women's opportunities the same all over the world, because, well, a girl becomes a woman, right? So in order to create and empower women, we have to take care of a girl, keep her in school. So that is what the audience is intended. Okay, so we have different kinds of plans, as we can call it like that. It's because I'm a Girl Fund, in honor, in memory, Plan International Canada Fund. So this just gives us a higher audience. So to summarizing who our audience is anyone whose income lets them donate or sponsor. The more options for donating gives us the more audience as well. And how to perceive the audience, this is important. Sensitizing with actual facts, this is logos, okay? And then convincing to make a change, this is another one, which is pathos. So, logos, they give us logos with facts from a trustworthy source, which could be UNESCO, in this case, and pathos they convince to make a change. But how? So, we have these two examples. Make a one-time donation, and girls can change the world, but they can do it without you. So, pathos is the way to get to the emotion sense of our audience. So, we have here these two examples with pathos. Your gift will help Plan educate girls and give them the nourishment, healthcare, and protection that is their right. And empower a girl, she will change the world. Girls are the answer, and so are you. they can't do it without you. You can give girls the power to lift themselves and everyone around them out of poverty. So this is like a big responsibility to anyone who wants to sponsor or donate. You see, it's like big weight on their shoulders, and it's an amazing way to get into their emotions. So, this webpage is pretty good, but how can we make it better? What are the improvements? So ethos would be the missing one to make like this website more complete. And so we have the educating part to the audience about the truth behind cultural and economic poverty. So this is the reports part of the website. I was expecting to get like videos or live streaming about girls that were sponsored or had a little bit of donation to change their lives, but instead of that, I'm getting more facts. I get the chance to download the PDFs of their reports, so it is pretty clear. The message is concise, it's clear, it's direct, but how can I know where my money is actually going to? Like, how can I know about lives that were changed by someone who sponsored or donated? I need those kind of facts. I know the true facts that not all girls have the same rights, okay? But I need to know that with my help, I am actually going to make a change. So, reports are more actual facts about children not being respected. It's just like a lot of information. So, by ethos, sharing their experience, that would be like the final cherry top of this website. Okay? Reports from sponsored children would enhance the fundraiser. Actual facts are one side, okay? And then the reports from sponsored children would be like just the final part to make it more confident, like to give the future donator the confidence he or she needs to make the donation. So now we're going to talk about the design behind the colors. This is pretty important because a web page with this kind of like how can I say it, dynamic about donating, any web page that involves money needs a strong branding. A branding is like the message to being consistent that it's just one person, one company, or one organization, and so it's like true. So we have that the main colors are blue. Blue is calm, loyalty, trust, confidence, wisdom, and intelligence. We see that blue is the principal color of the logotype of Plan International. So it is like giving the audience the confidence and the enough trust that it's just like one organization. Then we have the pink for Because I Am a Girl fun. Pink is playful, feminine, and it means innocence. It's just about girls. It's a color that has been just for girls for a pretty long time, and even though like nowadays we try to change that, the boys can also be pink, it doesn't matter. Pink will always be playful and will always mean innocence. Then we have yellow. Yellow is a stimulating color. It means enthusiasm and loyalty. We see that there are two different kinds of yellow here. We have a lighter yellow. It's a little bit more vibrant, where it says donate now in the lower part, and then on the upper part we have like donate in a different kind of yellow. So our eyes will immediately recognize that there is a different yellow, and it will absolutely guide us to the donate button that is pretty smart, and why not? You know, it's all about donating, so that is like the focus, like the main idea, like where they want our eyes to be focused on. So, images. Plan International has a lot of images that are like mirrors to their society. They are trying to share with us. Images have a really important emotional part, but nowadays with new social media like Instagram and like Snapchat, they have new like characteristics of making live streams. Live streams are more important, are more powerful because it involves the audience completely in the dynamic of the video, and so the audience feels like they are part of the video, of the dynamic in that part. So I would say that why not actualizing the, like updating the website with live streaming videos. So besides that, we need testimonies from donators, sponsors, or sponsor girls that can share how the lives change or new facts that donating and sponsoring is helpful. Summarizing the reports with graphics. So these reports are for the PDFs that I showed before. It's a lot of information. You gotta literally take a seat and take like 15 to 30 minutes to read it all. Graphics are easier to read, and you know, we have Prezi, which is like very dynamic, so that will help with these facts. Videos with graphic media are more attractive and emotive. We have this chronologic sequence about when it started and how like the girls' rights have been changed, etc., etc. But it's just a static image. It's just like it's been there forever, and how do I know they have updated the webpage? And as you can see, there is like this is from the PDF. You have to download it, and even for PDFs, you can create like dynamic slides with different movements. So I think that would be a great improvement to the web page. So this is it. Girls Can is a nice slogan for this fund because they motivate to change a girl's life and to enhance the fact that girls become women and women are a really big important part of society. Thank you very much.